Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started we'll need to actually add a toggle to our control center. If you pull it down you most likely won't see it. I can tell you that I don't have it right here, so yeah. By default it's turned off. So we're going to navigate into settings and then control center. And somewhere in here you'll find screen recording. It's right here. So just simply press on the plus button to add it. And once you have, you can close this and you should be able to now access it from your control center. Obviously from here you want to press on it, it starts the countdown from 3. Starts recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the phone. And once you're done, you can tap on this countdown, select stop, and that's it. It gets automatically saved to our photos. So I'm going to open it up just so I can show you this. You can find it in albums under recent and hopefully under videos and screen recordings. So you can see there's 2. So it appears in several different albums. Obviously it's just a one file, but it can be found in a couple different places. And as you can see, it's playing right now. So there we go, fairly simple. I will also add that there is no settings to it, so you can't really customize how it records, so keep that in mind. And yeah, anyway, so this is how you record a screen on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.